There's a Healy boy. Fuck you! Both you die! You're both healing each other, that's stupid!
No, you can't just heal off each other like that. That's illegal.
That's illegal! The medic's looking at the rest of the team.
Oh shoot, what the? You can't be up here with me. I'm the sniper. You can't just...
I saw him, I'm like, oh, that's unfortunate, because you're definitely dead.
I think he might have had a bad day. What do you think?
Oh, definitely. What the fuck do you want?
Oh, porcupine. What exactly did you do up here?
I punched them.
Oh.
I punched them good.
One punch!
Why are you robust?
I don't know. Like for a second, I thought I was just dealing way less damage than you or something. But then you started hitting him. I'm like, oh, he's just specialized.
No, he's just stupid. Look, Simons, the retards are the tankiest. You gotta be careful about them.
And you know this from experience.
Yes, I am a retard. We have the Smithy man right there.
What the?
I hit that gap like a running back.
I think I could outspeed you. Problem is, I'm moving so fast I can't stay on the pillars.
Fuck.
Dang it!
Shit!
When the problem is you're moving. Oh shoot!
Fuck! I'm having issues, Simons.
The floor is butter.
The floor is butter and I'm not ready for it. Fuck! The floor is made of banana.
Ah! Okay, I'm switching to my foundry. Screw this. Oh wow.
I got it.
Oh man.
Fuck!
Oh shoot. Alright, I forgot I have ostrich right.
No! Did you get it at least?
Yeah, I got it.
Oh, thank God, I just need to get over there now. I'm switching to the foundry at the moment. This is more manageable.
Oh man, this is terrible.
Let's try and get something here. Let's see what he. Oh, never mind.
Remind me never. Ow!
Are you good? What the fuck happened to you?
I don't know. Ow! I was full, right?
Yes, you were. What happened to you?
Did someone get the number of that bus that ran me over? Cause I did. Ow!
What is going on? He did swing.
He did?
Yeah.
No, I didn't see him.
Ow! What the fuck hit me?
Oni. There are 3 of them.
No, it said a catfish man killed me.
What? What catfish man?
I don't know.
There wasn't a catfish man, was there?
The game is just like, you know what? We need this exploding lantern spirit. Did not give a fuck. Back up, back up, back up, back up, back up. Fuck that dude spawning an exploding lantern spirits.
Okay.
I got you. Yeah. Get a curse scroll. Upgrade the selected weapons level by +3. I'll take that too. Yep. Yep. A level 17 poisonous ghost.
Nexus, wait. Give me the sword. Give me the sword. Give me the sword.
You are a champion, Simons. A true man's man.
And this isn't even the last level. What the? An actual number. Just...
No, bad, bad.
Hi, boss.
No.
Yeah, let me take care of the weak enemies. Oh no, my mouse died. No, no, no. No.
Let me take care of the weak enemies. Mouse just stops. Oh, it's immortal. Fuck's sake.
No, why now?
Hi, Mr. Peddler. Oh god. Oh my god! I couldn't see what was going on. Everything was dying.
Why?
Simon's revived! Simon's revived! Fuck it. Why are there so many of you? Craftsman! Hey, Simons.
Huh? Oh, yeah.
Craftsman.
I gotcha.
It's at 49 right now.
Pick up.
Oh god. I can see the struggle.
Enhance. Oh, come off it! I didn't move. There we go.
Oh my god, it's wonderful watching you struggle.
I hate you.
You hate me, but this isn't my fault.
No, it's
I'm
not.
assuming you don't want this.
What? No, game. Wake up.
I mean, having an AoE weapon's probably gonna help you right now, not gonna lie.
It is done.
It is ready.
It's beautiful.
Imagine if we got this from the start of the game. It'd probably be plus 100.
Level 61.
I want to get the sword.
Sword.
No, it was level 62, I thought. Didn't you get level 62?
No, it's right there, 61.
Oh, fair enough. Oh god, the damage difference. Oh Jesus, the damage difference.
Let's see. So I ended up with 23 million, and you ended up with 135 million.
135,610,047. Such a specific number.
However, someone died a bit more than the other.
Yes, but eventually we got there. The main character always has plot armor, Simons, and you were my plot armor.
Isn't that just my job at this point?
Yeah.